thank you for taking the time to visit The Keys, a guide to digital safety. Technology can do so many amazing things, but depending on how technology is used, it can also bring real risks. That's why it's so important to know how to stay safe. And that's what the Keys program is all about.
I'm going to kick off the program by sharing some important information about online bullying and harassment.
If an intimate photo of you is shared, there are steps you can take to help protect yourself.
It is not safe to consume any illegal or controlled substances that were not prescribed to you by your doctor and administered through a legitimate pharmacy.
I'm going to walk you through a realistic scenario of how a situation like this might play out and what you should look out for.
Okay, I sent a pic.
I don't know what to do.
I'm totally stressed and can't sleep.
Working with outside experts, we built this program to help you learn about some of the risks that come with using online platforms and the choices that you can make to protect yourself. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about these important topics.